If your voice to text feature is not working on your iPhone, here are some steps to troubleshoot and fix this issue. The very first step is that you have to check your internet connection. Because the voice text relies on the internet connection to process your speech, make sure you are connected to the proper Wi-Fi and have a cellular data enabled on your device. So another step is that you have to enable the dictation. Sometimes the dictation feature might be disabled. So to enable the dictation feature, you have to go for your setting. Under your setting, go and tap on your general option. So here on your general option, go for your keyboard. So here on your keyboard, you have to look for the dictation. So you have to enable the dictation until it turn off to the red, until it turn up to the green. So you have to also check for the microphone. So you have to look for the option of microphone permission. Go back and go for your privacy here on your setting. Look for the privacy and security. Under your privacy and security, look for the option of microphone. And here you have to make sure that the microphone permission is enabled. So if that doesn't work, you have to go back and look for the iOS update. So just go and tap on the general option, go for the software update. If there is something available or update available here, you have to tap on the get latest version, get latest update here. And you can also reset the setting. Go for your general option, tap on your reset or iPhone, go for the reset option and tap on the reset all setting, which won't delete your any data. Also, you can try using your Siri or testing your Siri. Hold the side button and say the hey Siri if the voice recognizes and it is working. If the Siri isn't working, it may indicate a bigger issue with your microphone on your iPhone, so which may be hardware issue. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.